Alright, what's good guys? So it's Sunday, I got the trailer behind me, gonna go look at a rolling body Hilux. So hopefully it's got less rust than the body I've got at the moment, and we can pick it up for a good price with a bit of luck. About a 45-minute journey either way, and hopefully we can pick this thing up today, no dramas, and hopefully it's in good shape. Yeah, let's hit it. Alright, so we've picked up the Hilux. Shout out to Brody, subscriber of the channel, met him through there, so too much bro. She's been sitting for about 10 years, maybe more. There's a little bit of rust in behind here, but it's certainly salvageable. And there's a hole in the floor, and there's a little bit of rust, but it's nowhere near as bad as my cab. And we've got the added bonus of fucking manual hubs, diffs, drive shafts, straight doors, interior parts, just heaps of shit. So we get it back to the shed now, put it outside, and it's starting to get a bit late in the day, so I doubt I'll do anything else other than drop this off. Alright, so I've got it back sitting outside my shed. I pulled all the carpet out of it just to make sure the floors were alright. So all the carpet's gone, I gave it a clean up. The floor's pretty good condition. There's a few spots of rust starting to happen that I'll have to kill off, and there is one hole there, but that'll be an easy fix, so definitely savable, and it's a shitload better than my other one. Like I said, the gutters are all sweet all along here, there's no rust, there's just that bit there, bit of a bugger, but easy to repair. And it's also starting there. There's another few spots, you know, we'll just kill that bit off and put a bit of a plate over that bit there, but it's all fairly easy. Good gutter along here as well. It's a bit of a bugger, it is starting to rust, you can just see in there it is starting to go. But I'll just get in there with a wire brush it, put some rust kill down in there, and then paint over it, and she'll be sweet as. So I really need to carry on with that one, because hopefully by next weekend I'll pull that one out, get a forklift, lift the cab off, lift the cab off, swap them over, and put it back together. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this all pans out. So if you got any comments, any tips, throw them in the comment section down below. If you're here for the first time and haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button, and see you on the next one.